So, once again I am in front of you to tell you the rest of the rules of the chapter subject verb agreement. जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं अभी बोर्ड में फर्स्ट जो रूल लिखा हुआ है that is not only but also. इसको हिंदी में हम लोग जैसे मीनिंग करते हैं केवल वही नहीं बल्कि वो भी. Now in this particular rule what happens, very simple thing is that if two subjects are joined by not only but also, जैसे कि दोनों सब्जेक्ट को हम लोग अगर not only but also से ज्वाइन करते हैं उस केस में हम लोग वर्ब किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेंगे? वर्ब डिपेंड करते हैं नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट once again the second subject. If we are talking about two different subjects, then the first subject is to be followed by the second subject. Let me take an example. Not only Ravi but also Ravi's friends. Here the first subject is Ravi और second subject क्या है? Ravi's friends. Both the subjects are joined by not only but also. In that particular case, the verb will depend on the second subject, and second subject is plural here. So we can conclude that not only Ravi but also Ravi's friends are moving on the road. It means that R is to be placed according to the second subject, and the second subject is plural. That's why the verb is to be taken as plural. So this is the first rule what I have already explained to you. अगर समझ में आ गया तो हम लोग second rule पे move करते हैं. Second rule is very simple. As you know, it has been written that as well as. Same thing is to be applicable. For example, if we combine two subjects with as well as, definitely the verb will agree the first one. Now I am just giving you an example. Kamal as well as his teachers. In that particular case, the verb will depend on the first subject, and first subject is Kamal, that is singular by nature. Definitely we should take singular verb in place of plural verb. Moving to third one, together with या along with. I have found many questions in competitive examination based on this particular rule. जैसे आप लोग जान रहे हैं अगर दोनों सब्जेक्ट के बीच में हम लोग together with को लगाते हैं, for example the principal together with all the faculty members, तो first subject मेरा principal हुआ और second subject हुआ faculty members, बीच में हम लोग क्या रखें together with या along with. In that particular case the verb will depend on the first subject. Now the first subject is the principal, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया आप लोगों को. तो principal हुआ singular subject, तो उसके बाद जो आने वाला verb होगी that should be singular by nature. क्यों? क्योंकि principal जो है first subject that is singular. अगर हम उसको reverse कर दें तो all the faculty members अगर पहले रख दिया जाए वो एक plural subject के रूप से consider किया जाएगा. In that particular case the verb will be automatically plural by nature. Moving to rule number 4, very important rule my dear students. You have to take into consideration there are lots of collective nouns like a group of, a bunch of and many more. Now it's a special rule. इसमें क्या होता है? A group of to be followed by plural noun. Plural noun. And after that the verb will be singular by nature. Singular by nature. Can anyone give me one example? Okay, let me tell you one example. A group of people. Now people is always considered as plural one. So according to the rule, a group of is to be followed by a plural noun, and after that you are supposed to use is in place of are. You cannot be confused with the word people, क्योंकि people जो है plural noun है definitely, लेकिन it is preceded by a group of. Now as you know, group of को हम लोग collective noun के रूप से consider करते हैं. तो collective noun जब सामने है तो हमारे verb जो होगा that should be singular by nature. So just like the examples, a group of people, a bunch of flowers, in that particular case आपको जो verb use करना है वो according to the rule singular by nature होना चाहिए. Next rule, typical words used. Many times we are getting confused in the words like team, audience and committee. What are the words? Team, audience या committee. Just listen to me carefully. These are very confusing kind of words. Team can be used both as singular as well as plural. I will show you. Same thing is likely to happen in the case of audience and committee. Just let me tell you one example. The team is at the top of the table. अगर एक टूर्नामेंट में बहुत सारा टीम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, इसको मान लिया जाए, तो उसमें जो टीम का पोजीशन सबसे पहले होंगे, वहां पे टीम को हम लोग एज अ सिंगल एंटिटी रूप से कंसीडर करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि एक ही टीम का नाम लिस्ट में टेबल में सबसे ऊपर रहता है. In that particular case, we should use the verb as singular by nature. Now, the most important thing is that if I write the sentence like the team is full of enthusiasm. अब इस सेंटेंस को जरा गौर से देखा जाए. The team is full of enthusiasm. Just tell me, team is a single entity or plural entity? Okay, you know a team consists of lots of players. Enthusiasm मतलब क्या होता है? उत्साह या एनर्जी. अब हमको बताइए, टीम का उत्साह होता है या प्लेयर्स का उत्साह होता है? टीम का एनर्जी के बारे में बात करते हैं या प्लेयर्स के एनर्जी के बारे में बात करते हैं? As I have already told you, team consists of lots of players, so we should take into consideration that enthusiasm is of the players, not of the team. Yes, of course, I do believe that team consists of lots of players. But if we consider about energy and enthusiasm, it should be about the players, and players are living beings. A team consists of more than one player. At that particular time, you were supposed to use are. It looks very awkward, but yes, this is the rule, because team is non-living thing consisting of players who are considered as living being. So the verb will be plural here. Same thing is happening in case of committee. If we say that the committee is of same opinion, so only one opinion we are talking about, which is unanimous, at that particular thing, committee will be regarded as a singular entity. But if we just take an example of the committee are divided in their opinion, in that particular case, if there are different kinds of opinion, it means that those are the opinion of the members of the committee. If we consider the members of the committee, definitely the word will be plural by nature. So these are very confusing words like team, audience, committee. They can be used both as singular as well as plural. Accordingly, the verb will also be placed after all these things. Kita,